Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to find out the interlayer distance between two nanoseeds. Okay, whether it is A stacking or AB stacking doesn't matter. We will try to find out the interlayer distance between those nanoseeds. So for timing, I am having one nanoseed over here that is lying in XY plane. You can see from here it is lying in the XY plane, and Z-axis is the third dimension where there is a known interaction between the lattice. That's how it is a 2D nanoseed. Okay. So to find out the interlayer distance, first we will increase one unit here in the z-axis, one more, so that you can see that we have one more lattice here, right, in the third dimension. So to find out the interlayer distance in this kind of lattice where you have the similar lattice up and down, there are two ways. One way is go to the right click, lattice parameters, and in advanced you make sure your cell origin is at 0 and the z is lying along C. Then go to the parameters. Now your C axis is matching with the z direction. So whatever values you are getting here, that is the interlayer distance between those nanoseed. Now another way is go to this measure distances, and here you select the same atom, this element here and this element here. They are chemically equivalent and the same, so I will select these two only. I cannot select any random atom. That is not the proper way of getting this interlayer distances. Okay, so here if you see, the value is 21.073. I will zoom in. So the value is 21.073, and here also if you see, it is 21.073. So that is the way to find out the interlayer distance. So you can use any of the way, this way or this way. But there are the cases when you don't have the same lattice in the xy plane and in the g plane. Suppose you are having AB stacking. In those cases you cannot just find out the distance between two elements, because in AB stacking there will be some slipping angle will be there. So the elements will be not overlapping each other, like not overlapping, they will be not just above each other, there will be some angle, right? So in that case you cannot just uh, take the distance with two atoms. So in that way you have to rely on this parameter, this C. Okay, this value will give you the interlayer distance. So whatever you do, you will get this as interlayer distance between your nanoseeds. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt pertaining to this video, you can put in the comment section. Thank you for watching.